I'm just barely getting started. You already upset. Got a tiger as a pet. I just took him to the vet. Yo, YouTube, welcome back. It's your boy Hood back at it again with another trade recap for the day. Man, oh man, it's been a week last week. Crazy week. Anyways, coming into the day, let me go into the 15-minute time frame real quick. Coming into the day, um, we had this low resistance liquidity right here. I was kind of waiting for some type of manipulation higher for us to go shorter. But I guess market did not like want to do that whatsoever. So I guess once we opened up the day, I did not trade AM session because I was a little bit busy. So I just kind of let markets play out, do its thing, whatever, whatever. So coming into the day, we just started dumping right away, immediately. Once we dumped, we started chopping for a little bit and started going higher. Honestly, the best trade for AM session would have probably been this right here, these longs. Um, as we were pretty much like displacing, we would have entered right here on this candle for obviously 30 points. Oh, for 30 points as TP, obviously stop loss right below the displacement candle. Only fact is because obviously we're pretty much damn near at all-time highs. Obviously we're looking for longs. Shorting at all-time highs is kind of stupid. So, um, that's pretty much it. We did put a bullish SMT right here at these draws. We kind of displaced, manipulated. Even on ES, we took out this draw right here. And we just pretty much had reversal sequence. But that would have been the probably the most optimal trade for the day for us to go longs. Um, or you could have entered right here as this candle was displacing. Boom, 30 points as well. But point is, um, I kind of let the market play out in the morning AM session. I didn't have no desired trading in the morning because I was busy doing other stuff. But going on to the rest of the day, went into PM session. Now, PM session, we had this LRL kind of generated liquidity right here. And I was kind of waiting for some type of manipulation for us to go longs. But we kind of just displaced like ridiculously. We had like this one candle push higher. Boom. There it is right here. So once we took out this draw, I kind of waited for us to do a little bit more, and then we ended up taking another draw. We took the draw on ES, so I just waited for more displacement candles or some type of manipulation, and boom, we were just displacing, and entry right here would kind of be stupid because that's at the premium. So even though it would have hit TP, I just think that's a little bit too risky because it wouldn't help out for you entering. Even though we have draws higher, I mean, it would be a good trade. It's just way too deep into the premium for us to take that trade. But point is, we ended up taking this draw on NASDAQ. We left that draw on ES. We didn't take it. We ended up taking this draw. So at that point, I was just kind of looking for a reversal sequence. Now, we ended up displacing, um, 3, 4 candles lower. And right here is where we put in another high. We put in another high right here. So I was waiting for us to manipulate lower, maybe manipulate higher and then come back down lower because obviously it's reversal sequence at that point. I wouldn't expect the market to push all the way higher up into these draws after we just took it. So I know that's a protected high right here, this one as well as this one right here. So I'm just kind of waiting for market to do its thing, play out. And then boom, we took out this right here on NASDAQ, but we didn't take it on ES. We made equal highs. So I'm just kind of waiting for another sweep of that to just kind of be clear of it. And then boom, we ended up sweeping it again. At this point, I was just waiting for a displacement candle. ES was giving us signals that we wanted to go shorter. So I was like, all right, I'm just going shorts because that's the most optimal thing right now. And ES definitely wants to go shorter. So I entered as this candle was displacing. Entered right here. Boom. Market ended up going higher. So I knew we were coming to take these draws, and I had my stop loss set at protected high. That way it doesn't come out and take me out of the trade. So market ended up displacing higher a little bit. We ended up taking that draw one more time, and then boom, straight to TP. So we created an SMT right here, one candle directly straight to TP. TP was at this lows right here, and it was kind of like a quick thing. It was like a 1 minute type of thing. But I ended up hitting TP for let me see. I think it was like 600. Oh, it's a little bit too late. Yeah, it was for 600 on this trade right here. But that was pretty much it. That's it for the trade recap. Obviously, the rest of the session we just kind of tweaked out because Trump was tweeting some stuff. And that's pretty much about it. That's all I have for the trade recap. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you guys lock in, man. It's already the end of April, or we're going into the end of April, going into the beginning of May. Make sure you guys are still locked in. Make sure you guys are journaling, taking down notes, making sure everything you have is in set, because we want to make sure we end this year very strong. We already has a strong start, so don't like zone out or go towards a different direction. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.